This video I will tell you that how to get the dark mode on your Android phone. Okay, so this depends upon the variant or the device that you are actually using, and the Android version that you are actually using. So I'm using the Infinix Note 7 here. So on this you just have to like scroll down here, and here you can see dark theme. Okay, so just tap on this one, and now you can see that I have the dark theme. If I open up these settings here, now you can see that I have the dark theme here, and if I just turn this off, now I have the light theme. Okay, so the tutorial is same for all the Android phones. If you can't find the dark option here, you can always search for here. Okay, you should see a search bar in the options here, and you can actually search for the dark mode here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.